In this video, I would like to share how I made this 3D website. In this 3D site, there is a 3D model in which you can move around. So first you need a 3D model. I built the 3D model in Blender using a YouTube tutorial. The link to that is in the description. I wanted to keep the modeling as simple as I could so that I actually complete making the thing. Once I had done modeling, I took the easy way out mentioned in the tutorial and filled the surfaces with normal colors without any textures. After I had done that, I started to look away at how I can make it into a website and host it. In my search, I found aframe.io. This framework that is built on top of 3JS provides an easy way to create 3D websites that can be used in mobiles, desktops, and even VR headsets. Setting up an A-frame project is very easy. You just need an HTML file with a CDN script to import the A-frame library. Next step was to import the model as a .glb file. Once that was done, I imported the .glb file into the A-frame project and set it inside the HTML file. The scene was looking dark because the environment that I had set earlier was a dark one. Once I had set it into a lighter environment, you could see the model and the trees in the environment. I also adjusted the camera position so that it seems to be at eye level. For hosting, I went with GitHub Pages. So I created a GitHub repo and pushed the code there. Then I set up the GitHub Pages options in the repo settings. Once I posted it on LinkedIn, I got feedback on the site. If you look closely on the site, you can see an issue with model flickering in different places. The reason was that I created multiple meshes to create the model and hence the flicker. I learned a lot from this experience. Do let me know if you want me to cover a slower version for building such a site. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.